Welcome to Dream Institute of Technology. A 12-acre sprawling campus situated in southmost corner of the city of Joy, Kolkata.
The pace of technology is awfully fast. We in our Dream Institute of Technology, we try to cope up with this pace of technology, and we try to create a strong technical base for all the students who gets admitted to our institute. We are providing basically 5 courses under the UG course. That is the electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and computer science engineering. Under PG, that is under the postgraduate, we are providing 2 courses, microelectronics and VLSI design and power electronics and drives. We are having well-trained and experienced faculty members to guide our students, and we are providing one-to-one mentoring for each of the students who gets admitted to our institute. And we assure every student that gets equal attention from all our faculty members who are dealing with them. Our campus is a zero tolerance campus. We do not have any cases of ragging till date, and the entire campus is under CCTV surveillance. The central library which we are having at present has online and offline facilities, and we can assure to any students who likes to get themselves admitted to our institute that once you enter Dream Institute of Technology, your career will change for sure, and it will change for a betterment.
Dream Institute of Technology was started in 2006 with a mission to produce skilled, expertised manpower which is required by the industry of the region. Due to the lack of higher education institute in the region, the industries of the region was facing a problem of getting skilled manpower, expertised manpower. So in order to produce such expertised manpower, we started this college in 2006. And this last 12 years of operation, we have been able to produce such skilled manpowers who has been fruitfully and well placed into many industries of the region as well as to the outside. So by doing this, we have created a scenario where a student can, with no fear of his, can come and become a worthwhile professional engineers and skilled manpower.
ইস্টার্ন জোনে এত ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ নেই, কিন্তু ইন্ডাস্ট্রি যেভাবে আসছে বা আইটি ইন্ডাস্ট্রি যেভাবে গ্রো করছে, তাদের রিকোয়ার্ড ম্যান পাওয়ার প্রোভাইড করার জন্য এবং অ্যাকচুয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান অর্জন করে প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নিয়ে তারা যাতে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে তারা সার্ভাইভ করতে পারে, তার জন্য ড্রিম ইনস্টিটিউট অফ টেকনোলজি গ্রো করেছে। শুধু তাই না, বিগত 50 বছর আমরা ভারতবর্ষের অনেক ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ আমরা ইকুইপ করেছি, এবং সেগুলো ইনক্লুডিং আইআইটি। তার জন্য আমাদের যে বৃহৎ অভিজ্ঞতা, সেটাকে টোটালি এখানে ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করা হয়েছে। এই বিল্ডিং থেকে আরম্ভ করে ইকুইপমেন্ট এভরিওয়্যার আওয়ার নো হাউ ইজ ইমপ্লিমেন্টেড।
For the upcoming students, we are seeing the changes in the scenario of the current time, and in the current time it is more about producing dedicated manpower for dedicated skill set. So that is the next thing that we are going for. We are segregating students based on their affinities, and we are creating manpower with dedicated skill set, which will be the next need of the hour for the industry.
It is Dream Institute of Technology, where engineering dream becomes a reality.